다 도고 tene jejun jambal yang ji gone wang kurware tene jambal yang gi gone wang ma kurwe gi hondula tene taring tene ta nangba sanje be gi chuju gola ngosu shune ane ngosu ta chugola shungege tene sarba chogla tene 당부 잡돔 된다는 거 is 잡돔
empowerment of interest rate or Tanzania. And before starting the empowerment, the ones who want to actually enter the Buddhist path, the new ones have the opportunity to take the refuge.
근데 남바 산제백이 다 주 고라 무스 슈바데 테네 레스 하고송아 무스 슈바데 다 잡순로 세야티 지당 그 남바 산제백이 테네 추주 고라 무스 슈네 테네 소소게 군초숨나 잡순로 와데 대인도 테네 잡순로 와텔라 테네 조 테네 잡율 숨 잡순로의 율티 하고야 되게 챔버로 잡순로의 율티 tene sanje chu gindun sumthi tene kyapsunrowe yulre sanje sedu khansege yore sena tene nyomomba tapena nyomombe dreba da sheje dreba la sobege yende kyun thamje da thane tene yende thamje da ngondo churba chetawa da chini chembe yeshe ngondo churba sanje tela kyapsunrowe kapsula tene tapena yang thagbe nelu sur신도 덤버 제베게 덤베게 sur도 잡순로 하고서 tene 니바 담배 최로 잡순로와티 tene 조부산지 좀 된데지 숭베게 최들에 tene 최티 tene 잡순로와티 람지 수도 잡순로 tene 숨바 겐두세야티 조부산지 좀 된데게 숭베게 최티 tene zembar chebatang chenla peor chebatang tene rangni ge nyamsu lembar chebe ge phabe gendumba sige yore tela tene lam drube ge thoge tar to japsun ro ne dorna ku sanje chu gendun som la japsun ro tela tene ta jamdo sige yore
So then to take refuge in the means to take refuge in the three jewels. And the three jewels are the objects of our refuge. And they are the Buddha, the Dharma, the Sangha. The Buddha means the state of enlightenment, means somebody who has totally purified and who is free from all kinds of disturbing notions or fails, those ones and the very subtle ones. And who don't end mistakes.
Pena randun to dreba thamje malupa thamje yonsupane ishingondo churba shendun to tene pena rani sanje batamje matsebege simjen thamje la tene kasegore kusung tuk ki gone tene samji mekeba simjen thamje la jugbe gone simjen la pemba dubar chen nu batela jogu sanje sigiyore tele japsuma
who don't have any mistakes, in whom we totally purified, and in whom all qualities have developed. That means the highest wisdom has fully blossomed. And also the Buddha is somebody whose activity for the benefit of other beings will always be there. Who manifests spontaneously for the benefit of all beings. So this is the Buddha, when we take refuge in the Buddha. And the second refuge is the Dharma, which means the teachings that the Buddha has given, the path which the Buddha has shown to reach that state of perfection. And the third refuge is then what we call the Sangha, and that means the ones who hold the Buddha's teachings, hold the doctrine, who can spread the doctrine, and who can practice the teachings. So they are like the helpers, the friends on the path to enlightenment.
Tindes re, tene te sonzang, ta kuncho somla kyapsun ro se du tere, tene kyapsun ro ve kapsula yang, ta pena, tene rani neka ptendi ge, tene tuyanzam je mayimba, ta yam pena rani ge, tene kone ge tuyan mayimba, ro simjen tamje, tene zobu sanje ge sala ge kwebe cherdola, tene kyapsun rowa yin sambe ke samba nambar thabe bone tene kyapsun rogo go yores.
As we say, the refuge is very important that we have the proper motivation. That means that we don't only think of what we can attain, that we are looking for some worldly benefits only for this life, but that we understand that the reason for taking refuge is that we need to reach enlightenment so that we can help all sentient beings to the state of liberation, to enlightenment, to Buddhahood. That is the proper frame of mind which we need as we take refuge.
Tindes re, tene te indu, te sonzang ta, tene ta chedang ge kyapsun rowe ge kapsula, tene kyapsun rowa tsamje mayimba, tene sosu gyula chinab de shuku gu yore, chinab de khaan re se na, tene zogbe sanje chomden de tang, tape na ngaranzo zogbe sanje chomden de shakya tube ke, zogru kyurba che ke, tene tuyusum ge sanje tamje tang, chanju semba tang, tene taga nanshin ke, tene zogbe sanje chomden de ne tanda pardola, tene par mache be ke, tene tohong e kyapsun sembe tomba tindeng gu yos.
When we take the refuge, it is also important that we can open ourselves so that we will be able to receive the blessing that is transmitted during this refuge. Because for us, Buddha Sakyamuni, the historic Buddha, is the one whose teaching we are receiving and whose transmission has been kept until today. So, as refuge, as we take refuge, this blessing comes to us through the transmission of the one who's given us the refuge.
Te indu, te sonzang ta, tangbo kiranzu taring, lendu yoba tang, tene lengis kate ina kiranzu lakwa chikya sho, sabatsu.
The ones of you who already have the refuge, you need not to repeat it in the way that you get new name and that you take the whole procedure. But the ones of you who are new and who have the wish to take this refuge, that you want to enter the Buddhist path, that you want to do a Buddhist practice, you raise your hands now.
Okay, so those who are taking refuge the first time, please, can you come in the front? Okay, now listen, okay? Yeah, now those who are taking refuge today, and I'd just like to explain what is the procedure of taking refuge. Because why we are caught in the samsara, because of our dualism, fixation. So that's why we caught in this to the samsara. So only way get free from that samsara is, we have to cut this dualistic feeling, So the symbol of that, so I will be cutting piece of your hair, which is the significance of the cutting of the ignorance, you see. And then same time, and I'll be asking you, are you happy to take refuge? Because I know that you're willing to take refuge, but the taking refuge, it has to be very spontaneous, means your own wish. Because in order to receive the refuge ordination, so when I ask you, are you happy to take refuge, then the same time when I cut hair and you answer tola, means I'm happy to take refuge, okay? And then after that, and then I'll giving you name, which dharma name, okay? And then after that, I'll ask you to sit down, knee down, and then you repeat after me 3 times. Okay, now those who are taking refuge today, you have to repeat now after me 3 times. And that is the actual, taking of refuge. And you will be repeating in the Tibetan language. But you must know what you're saying. And the meaning of repetition is, I by such and such a name, means first 2 times you say your own name, like whatever your usual name. So you repeat, say your name, and now on, from this moment till, achieve liberation, in order to benefit of all sentient beings, and I am taking refuge to Buddha. As I explained to Buddha. And then I'm taking refuge to Dharma. I'm taking refuge to Sangha. And then until, this, achieve liberation, and you will keep the refuge vow. So that basically what you are repeating all 3 times. And during the 3rd repetition, and when I ask to say your name, and you say the name which is given just now, it's Dhamma name, and you say that, and then most important is just before the end of repetition, and so that I will be giving you a signal, hand like this. So that moment, actually you're receiving the refuge transmission, unbroken transmission, which is from Buddha till now, which we kept transmission given to you. So that is you have to receive through the acknowledging that the moment that I give you a signal, and you should acknowledge that you received the refuge transmission from Buddha, Dharma, Sangha, and through the teacher. And then you just think that you have received, because any blessings, any ordination, anything you have to receive on your mind, because there's something you can receive, material. So because of that, it's very important acknowledging that they receive the refuge transmission. That's extremely important. Da Ming. Your name, please. She Jiwa. Tun Dene. Sung De. Chisi. Changchup. Ningbu Partu. Gang Ni. Namje Cho. Sanje La. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Buddhaya. Docha Tang. Chalwa. Namje Cho. Chola. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Dharmaya. So Namji. Cho. Gendun La. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Sangaya. Da Tu. Dene Sungte. Chisi Changchup. Ningbu Partu. Kyapsum Zembe. Genyen Tu. Zun Pe. Sungdu Sol. Okay, now second repetition. Zun Pa. Gong Su Sol. Da Ming. Your name, please. She Jiwa. Tun Dene. Sung De. Chisi. Changchup. Ningbu Partu. Gang Ni. Namje Cho. Sanje La. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Buddhaya. Docha Tang. Chalwa. Namje Cho. Chola. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Dharmaya. So Namji. Cho. Gendun La. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Sangaya. Da Tu. Dene Sungde. Chisi Changchup. Ningbu Partu. Kyapsum Zembe. Genyen Tu. Zun Pe. Sungdu Sol. So once again, I'd like to remind you that now this is the time, you're receiving the actual refuge transmission. So it's very important that you must, concentrate with the, when you repeat, you must analyze the meaning of repetition. Zun Pa. Gong Su Sol. Da Ming. Your name, please. She Jiwa. Tun Dene. Sung De. Chisi. Changchup. Ningbu Partu. Gang Ni. Namje Cho. Sanje La. Kyapsu Chiwo. Namo Buddhaya. Docha Tang Chalwa Namje Cho Chola Kyapsu Chiwo Namo Dharmaya Cho Namje Cho Gendun La Kyapsu Chiwo Namo Sangaya Da Tu Dene Sungde Chisi Changchu Ningbu Partu Kyapsum Zembe Genyen Tu Hoben Ti Sungdu Sol Tawie no Lekso Tarbe Gyanzen Dembara Jurje Zangbara Joba Setaru Chembara Jurjik Suremje Kong Yonso Zobara Jurjik Sera Tamze Rabdo Jungwa Tongbo Yonso Zobara Jurjik Sera Tamze Tobara Jurje Chemje Sujum Geme Jin Sujum Nombara Tosa Lomse Mebe Sujum Sujum Paru Chenzo Sho Yawa Kunje Jeso Hopjuru Sambo Juba Yonso Zoje Sujum Juba Teme Yonda Ado Manyan Geme Jebara Jo Chanju Semjo Rembo Seda Kun do different practice, but at least every day they're taking refuge, which is now, refuge to Buddha, taking refuge to Dhamma, taking refuge to the Sangha. And then after the taking, and then you just pray that you can benefit, all sentient beings. So this, at least this much practice, it's very important you to do every day. Bodhisattva Manjushri is the embodiment of all Bodhisattvas. Aspect of the wisdom is actually the Manjushri. So since it's very important whether to liberate or even this lifetime just to deal with the worldly things. And it's very important we all have a very intelligence, because without intelligence and anything you cannot handle very smoothly. So that's why it's very important to have a wisdom. And so when we say to develop wisdom means it's not something that you have to develop which you don't have, it's not that something that you have to develop which you don't have. Actually, each and everybody has the wisdom. But because of each being has a different, habitual patterns. So because of the habitual patterns obscured our own wisdom. So that's why some people are very intelligent and some people are less intelligent. There are many categories of intelligence. So through this initiation or through blessing of the Manjushri, and actually to develop the wisdom, so that way you can anything, like for example like you study or in your work, or and then as in and from the Dharma side, like when you in order to do the practice, and you must understand what it really means. So to know that, it is very important to have wisdom. So that's why, for the practitioners also, they do every day, the Manjushri practice. So in order to do the practice, and then you have to have a transmission, and that is the transmission is given through this initiation. So now in short, that now you all, what you have to think is that who's giving the initiation teacher is inseparable from the Bodhisattva of Manjushri, and then through the initiation of body, speech, mind, and then you acknowledge that you receive the blessings of Manjushri, body, speech, mind, and through that way purifies that your defilements of body and speech, mind, and then so you receive the wisdom or blessing of all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. So with that motivation, and please you take initiation. Mandan lame, Gajin tea, Dala jumbo, Bao ye, Wandan jenam, Zazu sol, Lusum sanje, Hamje tang, Mandan lame, Gajin tea, Dala jumbo, Bao ye, Wandan jenam, Zazu sol, Lusum sanje, Hamje tang, Mandan lame, Gajin tea, Dala jumbo, Bao ye, Wandan jenam, Sanje Chanchu, Yiji Song, Sanje Chödang, Sokcho La, Chanchu Pado, Yapsu Che, Ranshin Töni, Rapdrup Che, Chanchu Semne, Kepara Di, Chanchu Choki, Semne, Keji Ne, Semje Tamje, Dake, Rendo Nye, Chanchu Chocho, Ye Wong, Chepara Di, Rola Penche, Sanje Lo, Oi Benzo Mirada, Kunrade, Hano, Soba Tomba Nidu Juru Tomde Oma Kiranam Jizun Jambaya Kukum Je Presarum Nima Chubendanda Kundu Mose Shashi Shani Bo Chintun Jibe Nyamje Jaye Mishibe Tawa Chube Ishi Jerabe Nangadara Mowa Chagundo Janje Yende Ugo Tinge Tawa Tukara Sune Dama Inje Debra Kachebe Tena Sheraje Parudu Jemba Tono Jebe Beze Kato Nasu Bachu Jidun Jambara Yanje Hasu Kumbadan Jawa Kawa Puyo Subada Padu Meba Jene Jane Shera Nama Tebe 계란함제 고송도제 존자버라연제 고송도 예매제 가ጆ지 해초냐버지 세브롱보소쇼즈 오마라바다나 되잖아 아웨자야 오마라바다나 되잖아 아웨자야 오무셔대 만는데만 소라지 뭔가 가져가자는 소라잖아 아웨자야 오마라바다 나대잖아 아웨자야 오마라바다 나대잖아 아웨자야 Pandin lame, kajin ki, dala, jambal pahu yi, usun togi, jeno ando. Dara suwa de lobe dunye, jiranda jebe duba neve druju, wana jen jane, wango wa jura. Je dara damba dam jene, avanam jene juso. 너의 주는 너와 대신하게 왕으로 들어와다 다가다지게가 사모야 시르에 오모마 오마라바다 나데 엄주데 메메데바드로 도레메데르 몽레 카뇨와다는 그래서 오모 들어와다 다가다지게가 사모야 시르에 Ewan Guru Mata Shwe Lama Yerdu Bada Rike Daba Rike Daba Mijebe Wurje Maiju Wai Benda Akam Bande Dube Alo Gengene Neve Chamda Rade Saye So Wai Te Geranam Gedu Bane Sabe Dube Namje Da Bela Pejin Sevanga Jene Dube Gela Bajen Jumbo Medame Mai Bende Bajam Mezawa de Mai Beje Bosom de Bekenam de She Kui Chenoju Vejugone de Dunjamurian de Kukumbala Wang de Bosebeje Beju Bondo Branjo Kui Jena no Nigo Sungi Jezuna Wane Duje Dodo de Niga de Dunjamurian de Save to Genigo Taranigo Da Yingi Kurwa de Nigo Che Keram da Yidam de Dunjamurian to Save Shadow Juba took a poor one day, Om Arapata Nadi Om Arapata Nadi Om Arapata Nadi Om Shede Mame Depam Saraswati Manzu Shri Mum She Tanja Vatane Shede Soha Om Shede Mamen Depam Manzu Shri Mum She Tanja Vatane Shede Soha Om Arapasa Nadi Om Mongishore Mum Om Wagendana Keranam Jemedoga Jawana Lobin Afrwasam Mandi Zere Jomden Daki Sunga Ji, Nala Govara, Zedo, Maji Chingwa Dini Medoge, Chingwa Le, Jiuru Jingbe Mevo, Sola Jin, Dila, Govara, Zedo, Maji, Medo, Toshu Dembran, Zedo, Rekwan, Zeman, Denam, Jejuan, Zedun, Jamara Yangi, Koson, Tuje, Jela, Jubara, Juro, Keranam, Jemagi, Konen, Sobe, Zedun, Jeda, Mala, Tuje, Zedun, Jeda, Deshi, Soge, Chela, Jugagi, Konen, Zedun, Jaba, Yang, Manawa, Chedu, Soto, Toba, Mekala, Wang, Beko, Saya, Yela, Tuju, Leman, Judu, Lubran, Joane, Suge, Jena, Soba, Tudi, Jezona, Hogan, Yedam, Zedun, Jabra, Yang, Zona, Tuga, Mariba Padana Jebata Yela, Legends and Medan, Jobo, Medan, Mayinde, Never Chota Medan, Mariba Mishepa, Timo, Wallazo, Bemedu, Median of the Shea, Tuli Chenashu, Yilam, Jetan Jabarian, Tengen de Kumbala, one, they were changing the Sunda, Pudum Sobodan, the Bachuju, Ruban Joanne, Tudi, Okay, so now they should come up, for the taking the initiation. And just a minute. And then before that, those who are taking refuge, for the newcomers, and I'd like to give the transmission of the Chenrezig, oral transmission. So then in future they can also practice Chenrezig, okay? Lifetimes we accumulated many different kinds of karma. So sometimes, because of these karmic deaths, and it caused some negative things, like such as like different disease and also a lot of other things. So in order to purify that, and there's certain particular puja which we do through the dedication, that there's material that actually you just throw into the fire. There will be outside fire, so throw in that, and basically that There was